The Western concept of black cats often carries a negative connotation, particularly about witchcraft and superstition. Throughout history, black cats have been linked to witches and seen as signs of bad luck. During the Middle Ages, black cats were unequivocally regarded as witches' familiars, actively assisting them in their magical practices. This belief led to widespread fear and persecution of black cats, who were often killed in an attempt to ward off evil. On the contrary, black cats are often seen as symbols of protection and good fortune in Feng Shui. They are thought to repel negative energies and evil spirits, establishing a secure and peaceful atmosphere. This belief is rooted in the idea that black cats are strongly connected to the spiritual world, allowing them to act as guardians against harmful influences. Placing a black cat figurine or image in your home can help balance the flow of energy, or kai, and bring good fortune. The north corner of the house, associated with the water element, is considered an ideal location for these symbols, promoting calmness and trustworthiness, which can enhance relationship and career growth. Understanding cultural differences can help us appreciate diverse interpretations of symbols and beliefs worldwide. What do you think about black cats? Will you pet one?